Hi there. I'm not the most adept continental knitter, but I wanted to show you what's happening when I'm knitting my brioche ribbing with my yarn in my left hand. So my mantra on a brioche knit round is brioche knit, yarn over, slip. Brioche knit, yarn over, slip. It sounds like you need to do this. I just finished a brioche knit, and so here's my yarn over or yarn forward, and here's my slip. And then the yarn has to go to the back so I can brioche knit. But an easier way to do it is, instead of to bring this forward and slip, is to just dip my needle behind the yarn. So that's my yarn over, slip, brioche knit. Yarn over, just by dipping my needle behind, slip, brioche knit. Yarn over, slip, brioche knit. If you keep your yarn behind in the knitting position, then to do your yarn over, all you need to do is dip behind it and slip and brioche knit. And here's my yarn over and my slip, and it's the last stitch of the round. And I can't finish this because I'm going to change colors right here. So I'm going to leave my old color in front and we'll catch up with it at the end of the next round. Here's my marker moving over. So here's the slipped stitch. And then this is going to be a brioche purl round. Forgive my awkward purling. So my yarn's in front, and the mantra on the purl round is slip, yarn over, brioche purl. So the yarn's in front, slip. This one is an actual yarn over. Oh, there we go. Brioche purl. Again, not a natural continental knitter. Slip, yarn over, brioche purl. Slip, yarn over, brioche purl. I'll show you what happens at the end of the round in just a second through the magic of a jump cut. Okay, here I am finishing my brioche purl round. Awkwardly, of course. So, slip, yarn over, brioche purl, slip, yarn over, brioche purl, slip, yarn over, brioche purl, slip, yarn over, and now I need to brioche purl, but I'm missing my shawl, my yarn over, because I didn't complete it on the last round. So I'm going to hold that light colored yarn up so I can purl into both of these pieces. Here's my brioche purl, and that finishes the round. Slipping the marker. This light colored yarn's now in the back. I'm leaving my old yarn in the front, and now I can start the next round. Oh, I guess I want this in the other hand, don't I? So there's my brioche knit, my yarn over by dipping behind, slip, brioche knit, yarn over, slip, brioche knit, yarn over by dipping behind, slip, brioche knit. Hope that helps.